Hey guys from Onsite Landscape Supply. My name is Nasos Georgalis. As I told you, I'm a small business owner here in Charlotte, North Carolina. We are helping businesses with their online presence. As I told you over the phone, we are working with landscaping material companies all over the country. And I was doing some research in your area and I came across your website. I figured I'd give you guys this quick little video to give you three tips on how you can beat out your competition online or further improve your presence. I'll show you some of the things that I can see that's working well for you and what's working well for your competition. So I don't want to waste your time and I don't want to waste my time either. So if by the end of this video you like what you hear and you'd like to know more about how Epilysis Solutions can grow your business and help bring on new customers, give me a call and we can chat. If not, no big deal. Take the tips that I've given you today and use them for your company and see how they work out for you. Only thing I'm asking from you is to give me some feedback on this video once you're done. So let's get started. And here we see your website. We're gonna deal with three different topics here. I'm going to cover content, citations, and backlinks. And starting with content, since we are on your website, when we say content, we mean anything that's on your front page, including the pictures. And the pictures are saved with a name, which is content, that is readable by the search engines. For instance, here, beautiful family, by the way, my friend. Here we see what the picture will come up. Let's see how it is named. I'm sorry for the delay. Take some time to do it. On-site landscape supply. You could. It's good, but we could have done a little bit more here. You could have wrote more keywords that you could use to rank for. But content in your front page should be around 1500 words. And although this might sound a bit wordy, it is what your front page should have in terms of word count to allow you to work in some keywords or key phrases that people are going to be using to search your business or search for someone that offers your services. So the first tip that I want to give you guys is that you have to make sure that you have more relevant keyword rich content in your first page that's unique so that the search engines can help your company rank as high as possible. Unfortunately, content is something that web designers and developers generally overlook. As I said earlier, a website needs nice and unique content that includes keywords in order to rank higher. By the way, I love this calculator over here. I haven't seen it in any website. It's an excellent idea. And also I like that you're giving an example for people how they can work it out, because I guess that this is a regular question you are getting, and honestly I have to tell you that you gave me a great idea by watching at your website, and thank you for that. So we are going to the second thing that I want to go over with you, and which is citations. And if I go here in a search that I did in Google about landscape supply in Goldsboro and see, the first thing we're going to see most of the times here are some ads. We don't see them here. Nobody seems to have ads over here. So let's go where the search query is. The first thing we see is the map section. And in order for you to get in there, this has to do a lot with citations, and you are the first result here. So it means that you're doing great on citations, which are basically your business name, address, and phone number listed into different directories all throughout the internet. A good way to describe what a directory is, for example, Facebook or Yellow Pages or Yelp. Or any of those online sources or websites that give business owners the opportunity to list their business information and to provide them with another way of attracting new customers. So what would be tip number 2 is that just with citation, in order for us to beat out your competition, we need to have different citations, and we need to be in different directories that your competition is listed. And then you want to try to get in those same directories, because if it works for them, it's going to work for you. And then you don't want to stop there. You want to do a little bit more and add even more from what they are doing in order to rank your company higher in the maps. You're doing a great job here. Congratulations on that. But I think that you should always be on your toes when it comes to citations, because you don't want to see anybody else overranking you here, since you have such a great, you have positioned yourself fantastically here in the maps. And then the third thing that I want to go over with you is backlinks. The backlinks have to do with the organic section found underneath the maps over here. And again, you seem to do a great job. You are result number 1. And and this position over here has to do with backlinks, of course. And this is basically a backlink is a website that is sending a link back to your page, and so that could be a local news company, for instance, that did a story on you, and then they link the story back to your website to give their readers an opportunity to go check out your business online and to possibly book services with you. So using a tool here that I have, which is called Ahrefs, we went and checked your business online, and we get an idea of what's working well for you and what's not. This is not 100% accurate, but this tool basically shows us that you guys have 9 referring domains giving you 16 backlinks. And if I go in here, it's going to show me all the different websites that you are currently linking to you guys. And a lot of these are here. You see. Keyword density checker, keyword density checker, keyword density checker. You have this tool you are using to show that gives you a bit of authority here in order for you to rank higher. Of course, you should understand that as I'm doing, like, all these tools that we're using are visible from everybody. And what the competition is doing is just checking on these, and they try to overrank you, as I told you. That's why you have to be on your toes and try always to improve your position and differentiate over here. So if we move forward, you have to know it's just like with citations, with the backlinks. You want to make sure that you are in more places, and the position you are gives you 89 organic keywords and approximately 22 people visiting your website every month. Now, like I said, this isn't 100% accurate, but it does give us an idea of what's working for you. And currently the most accurate and up-to-date information is going to come directly from your Google Analytics if you have that set up correctly. But what I can tell you from here is that I get an idea of where your traffic is coming from. And if we take a look, these are the keywords you are ranking and your position with them. And if we go to your competition, which is this guy over here, Malls Express Supercenter, and we go to his Ahrefs, we can see that he has 18 referring domains, 79 backlinks. If we check on his backlinks, he's using more directories comparing to you. But still he ranks lower than you. He's on place number 2, but his traffic is much higher. He has 94 in terms of organic traffic, and he ranks for a little bit more keywords. And because he has the word mulch in his name, it gives him some bigger volume when it comes to the keywords that he's ranking for. But this is the tool that you can check. You can check what keywords from your competition are relevant to you and which one you would like to go after. You can go after the mulch wording that he's using over here. And what you're basically trying to do is just, you gotta get in more places than your competition to truly beat them and increase your traffic. Furthermore, you are in number one place in your area, but you still you don't want your competition to ever take you. To do that is a war that you're fighting all the time, and you have to do it right in order not to leave the opportunity for someone to overrank you. That's all I got for you today. Hopefully this information has been valuable to you. And like I said, if you'd like to know more about how Epilysis can help you grow your business and bring you guys some more new customers, reach out to me and we can chat. If not, no big deal. As I told you, enjoy the free tips that I've given you, and just if you wouldn't mind giving me some feedback on how I did on this video. Thank you so much for your time, and I hope you guys have a great Christmas, and I hope to hearing from you soon. Bye bye.